The filter strip is again absorbing the extra nitrates and phosphates in the fertilizer, and instead of them rolling down through the street, entering the stream and into the lake, they are being held right there in the filter strip. On the construction site, let's see if the silt fence works. And again, the muddy water is being held back at the construction site instead of being allowed to roll down the hill and run off through the residential area. We'll go over here to the farm area, to the country area, and again, when it starts raining, down the hill goes the water, but because the rows are put across the field now that it's holding, and we can see the whoops, I didn't quite get that all blocked off. So sometimes whenever you work with the Enviroscape, if there was a certain area that you did not cover, it will very quickly show there was an area there that was not protected with the correct conservation practice. And very quickly after this rainstorm, whenever you see that there is now some input of pollution into the water, we know now where the cause is, and we can come in and get those rows totally across the field, the filter strip totally across the field at the base. And so that the next time it rains, we will not be having the pollutants enter the water. But you can see, even when we were very good with putting on our conservation practices, the significant quality of the water has improved with just this one trial of putting on and using conservation practices.